Welcome to the PC Error Detective YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to pin clipboard history in Windows 10 step by step. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Start by pressing the Windows logo key and the V key simultaneously to open your clipboard history. Step 2. In the clipboard history window, find and select the item you want to pin. Step 3. Click on the three dots next to the clipboard entry you want to pin. Step 4. From the menu that appears, select Pin to keep this item in your clipboard history for easy access. And that's how you can easily pin clipboard history in Windows 10. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.